Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find additional settings. Here we've got languages and input on the second position, so let's tap on it and tap on the languages at the very first position. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of languages from which we can choose, which we can set. So actually all you have to do in this device is to find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So I will pick French maybe, just tap on it, and as you can see it has been immediately ticked, and after getting back you can see that the whole system, the whole menu from now on is in the chosen language, so obviously in my case in French. So let me show it to you again. So we have to enter the languages and region, the languages, and let me find the English. Let's tap on it, and the same situation, the language has been immediately applied. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.